This is the video tutorial for part 5, side 1, starting with number 8. Again, we're applying these rules to the original shape to create its image. Here, our original shape is 2 wide, and the number before the x it's not there, so that's assumed to be a 1. So 2 times 1 would make the new shape, or the image, 2 wide. And notice again, I'm looking in the bottom left corner, so that's where I'm starting our new shape, or our image. And again, we're ignoring anything that's being added to or subtracted from the x and y until the very end. Now, our original shape is 2 tall, so 2 times 1 is 2. So our image is going to be 2 tall as well. Now we're going to look at the subtraction here. X again is the horizontal. So we're going to move it one spot, but this time it's going to be to the left, because we're going to the left of the number line. So this whole shape moves one spot to the left to look like this. Now the y tells us to move one spot down. So the subtraction sign tells us to go down. Just like if this was a thermometer, the numbers would increase going up and they would decrease going down. So this is telling us to move one spot down. So the resulting image would look like this. Now it's asking us, are they similar? The answer is yes, because the number before the x and the y are the same, therefore the new shape is similar. In fact, it's congruent because the number before the x and the y happens to be 1. Again, keep in mind, when you move a shape, it has nothing to do with similarity. That's just moving it. Alright, number 9. Our original is 2 wide, so 2 times 1 is 2. Again, I'm starting the shape off in the same corner, lower left corner, that the original shape is. Now our original shape is 1 tall. 1 times 1 is 1. So we're done creating the size of our image. Now we're going to look to move it. X plus 1 is going to move us one spot to the right. And the x minus 3 is going to tell us to move 3 spots down. So the x is always left, right. The y is always up, down. So we're going to go 3 spots down. This would be 1 spot down, 2 spots down, 3 spots down. So we're finished creating our image. Now the question is, are they similar? The numbers before the x and the y are the same. We only moved the shape. So are they similar? The answer is yes. Alright, looking at number 10. The original shape is 1 wide. 1 times 3 is 3. So our new shape is going to be 3 wide. Now again, we're ignoring the adding and subtracting stuff till the very end. Here the shape is 2 tall, so 2 times 2 is 4. So our new shape is going to be 4 tall. And again, notice I started this shape in the lower left corner as the same as this shape. Now it looks like we have one type of movement here. Again, the x is horizontal, so we're going to move one spot to the, that subtraction sign tells us, to the left. So that's what where our new image would be. That's the size of it and where it would be. So now they're asking, are they similar? Is the number before the x and the y the same? No, they're not. So in this case, these two shapes are not similar. It got 3 times wider, but only doubled in height. So they are not similar. Okay, number 11. If the numbers before the x and the y, are the same, the image created will be similar. Number 12. If there are numbers being added or subtracted from the x or y the image that is created will move. So adding or subtracting numbers from the x or y moves the shape around. This concludes Part 5, Side 1 video.